How to scare off blackbirds. Blackbirds help to control insects and are an important part of the ecosystem. Large numbers of blackbirds often congregate and reach a point where they begin to overtake an area. Crop damage and the potentially harmful droppings they leave behind result in homeowners, gardeners and farmers taking steps to protect property. A variety of means are available to help deter blackbirds from an area. However, it is important to first determine what means are legal and allowable, as blackbirds are protected under law. Things you'll need. Permit if needed. Aluminum pie plate. Compact discs. Marking tape. Shotgun. Shell crackers. Air horn. Determine what steps are legal for use in the removal of blackbirds in your particular area or state. Obtain any permits that are necessary for blackbird control based on the deterrent to be used. Hang aluminum pie plates or old compact discs from limbs or posts. Use string to hang the plates or discs in locations around a yard, garden or orchard to frighten and discourage blackbirds from congregating. Hang strips of brightly colored marking or survey tape from limbs, posts and other objects. Tie the plastic tape so that the wind will catch and move it to scare blackbirds away. Load a 12 or 20 gauge shotgun with aerial explosive shell cracker shotgun shells. Point the muzzle of the shotgun so it is aimed over blackbirds that are resting on the ground or in trees. Fire the shotgun to direct the shell cracker over the birds till it will explode and scare the blackbirds away. Walk or drive along areas where blackbirds are congregating. Sound a handheld air horn to scare the birds away. Tips: warnings. Use one or several of these means to deter blackbirds. Repeated use of the shell crackers and air horn will likely be necessary for long-term control.